In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store connected with YouTube so you can grow your audience, promote products through videos, and increase sales more effectively. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the login button. Enter your email address connected to your Shopify account, type in your password, and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you manage important store features like payments, shipping, domains, and integrations. Next, click on Apps from the left sidebar menu. Apps help extend your Shopify store's functionality and connect it with external platforms like YouTube. Now open the Shopify App Store and search for Google and YouTube. When the app appears in the search results, click on it and select Install. After installation, Shopify will guide you through connecting your Google account. Make sure you log into the same Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Once connected, you'll be able to integrate your YouTube presence directly with your Shopify store. This setup allows you to showcase products through YouTube videos, run Google and YouTube ads, and even sync products for easier promotion across platforms. Inside the Google and YouTube app dashboard, follow the setup instructions to complete account verification, product syncing, and channel connection. Make sure your products are fully optimized with clear titles, descriptions, pricing, and high-quality images before promoting them on YouTube. You can also create product-focused videos, tutorials, reviews, or shorts to drive traffic from YouTube directly to your Shopify store. To learn more, visit the Shopify App Store and the YouTube official website. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected with YouTube, helping you combine e-commerce and video marketing to grow your online business faster. Thanks for watching.